if he probably has a PR team, I don't know.
Each Kilibafana. That's childish
He's giving ponytails. It's crazy.
for your age, bro. It's giving
Someone would've-
ponytail days, bro.
someone-
Aye.
No, someone would have rather said if he probably has a PR team, I don't know if he does, but they would have said, no, Chief, this is what they said about you. Argue
That point.
If you say I'm selfish, then I say no, but look what I did for seeing.
That's so true, bro. We only need guidance at this point. Don't come here with like a big boys energy. These are small boys. No, we are individuals, bro. We grown. We understand what's happening in the game, bro. We need to be grown at this point. We need to be taken to another level by somebody who has a bigger platform. Help grow us. Don't belittle us. If you belittle us, you're gonna get the smoke, bro. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be vague and open about this. If you come at us, you're gonna get the smoke, and we will always find a way to go through about what we are doing.